If your dishwasher is not cleaning your dishes as well as it used to, you might be able to solve the problem with a length of wire. This I cut from a clothes hanger, and you can use it to clear it out the spray arm. If you notice, the bottom of the dishwasher has a spray arm that has holes that shoot out water, and they often get plugged up with food or hard water deposits, mineral deposits. So to clean it, you can use the wire to poke out the holes. You can do it while it's in place, but it's easier to disconnect the spray arm and pull it out. Most dishwashers have a simple locking knob on the bottom. Then you can use the wire to clear out the hole. Poke the wire all the way to the bottom to make sure you clear out any food deposits or any other obstructions. Now, if it's really plugged up, you can also take it and soak it in a tub of warm water with a little bit of vinegar. That'll help dissolve any deposits that are in there. And once it's clear, you just put it back in place, lock it on, make sure it's locked good and securely. And this is really important. Once it's on place, spin it. Make sure that it spins freely. If not, you're going to have another problem. And once you clean that one, then clean the other spray arm at the top, and your dishwasher will be working as good as new.